No days off, no excuses, pain talk. I speak fluent, they rest. I keep moving, same goal, new bruises. No days off, no sleep, mind sharp, routine beat. You wish I repeat, every rep build belief. Alarm ring, I'm already up. Same ground when it's hard as fuck. No crowd, no camera, just iron and trust. I don't need cheers, I need results. I don't count likes, I count reps and faults. When it burn, I stay. When it hurt, I grow. Every drop on the floor, there's payment out. Oh, weak mind, tap out early. Strong mind, push through quiet. I don't chase motivation, I rely on habit.